Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. Father petition to Kaduna State Governor Ubasani over 16 years old son's mother on school premises and demand 560 million naira compensation over negligence. Now move to Kano State. The Kano State Police Command has arrested 17 thugs responsible for attempted evictions of former Amir Bayero from Palace on Wednesday. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) Kogi State Command has destroyed 25 tons of illicit drugs. NDLEA Chairman Brigadier General Buba Marwa disclosed this on Wednesday in Lokoja. Jigawa State Anti-Corruption Commission recovered over 300 million naira from ex-local government chairman in the state. Don't forget, this update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment, and share. Now, insecurity police arrest 20 kidnappers in Taraba head out and rescue 3 victims. Now move to Benue State. Gunmen have abducted 4 female students of Joseph Sawan Tarka University. The incident occurred on Tuesday night at the North Core campus. Still on insecurity, the Chief of Air Staff says exit of Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso from ECOWAS may affect the operation of multinational joint task force. Still on insecurity, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) arrests 59 suspected internet fraudsters in Abuja. Now move to politics. Ex-Kogi SDP candidate raises concern over PDP chieftains abductions, blasts Governor Ododo and DSS silence. Ganduje claims that he inherited 8.9 billion naira debt as APC national chairman. Now move to Kwara. The Kwara North Senatorial District demand next state governor. Still in politics, PDP crisis. Atiku's camp attacks Minister of Abuja Nyesom Wike again, and Shia later sent to INEC. Now sports. Northeast Zonal Team Sports competition kick-off in Yobe State. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can follow us in X and Facebook. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.